Welcome friends, and let's talk about text input layout. So this is basically used to wrap the edit text or any of the descendant of the edit text to show a floating level when the hint is hidden due to the user input texting. And it also supports, suppose you are suppose user typing an input, okay, and you want to hint user with an error, so you can also use text input layout to show some kind of error. So I'm going to show you how you can design it, and I'm going to apply this design in one of the input text, let's say for the first one, and you can take the other edit text as a assignment. So I suggest you to implement the same text input layout for the other edit text. And also I'm going to show you how you can design the buttons, okay, by using the material design theme. So let's start here. To work with the text input layout, you need to wrap this edit text. You need to wrap edit text with the text input layout. So this is very simple, my friend. You can search here. This is the text input layout. You can make a search. It's very simple. You can see out here. So whenever you try to make a drag and drop of a text input layout inside in your layout, okay, it will ask to add the dependency because text input layout comes with the dependencies. So okay, would you like to add this library now? Yes, I want to add. So let it okay, and just wait, because now the Gradle is building once again for this module. And as you can see out here, updation has been done with the design of 26.1.0. So now the text input layout will be added. Soon it will be added. You can see the Gradle build is running. So we need to wait for a while. So as you can see out here, this is my text input layout, and here they have given one input edit text. You can change it. Okay, I'm going to use here my own edit text, so I will just delete this text input text edit text, and I will cut the first one and then I will paste it here. Okay, so as you can see out here, this is my text input layout, and you can see I need to design it a little bit. All right, and a lot of changes has been come. Okay, so you can do in a second way also. You can come back here. All right, and you can see this is the text input layout. And you can do one very simple thing. You can just drag it here inside the text input layout like this. Okay. Now you can see, okay, something has happened. Now you need to add some constraint, and you need to design it properly. So I'm adding this constraint, and I need to wrap it something like this. Okay. So you can see out here, I'm doing it a little bit something. I'm wrapping it. Okay, I will remove the constraint and remove the constraint from the second one also. And now you can simply just remove the constraint because I have added the constraint before, so I'm doing it. So let me rewind this clip with a little bit of speed. Now as you can see out here, this is our type input layout, text input layout, sorry, and this is the edit text. Now let me apply the style. Okay, so style means whenever user types something, we will give a floating hint. Okay, so this is going to be very simple, my friend, and let me show you. So here you can open the styles, this one, styles.xml, and you can create a new style. So I'm going to copy the last one so that we will reduce the effort like this, and I will change this one to, let's say, hint text. So what will be the color of the hint? Okay, hint text. And here you can just I will just delete this one, and I will add one item like this, and let it be, say, text color. So like this one. Sorry. So here you can use Android text color. So you can use a text color. So here I'm going to give a color for this particular hint, and I will just give a accent color. You can also use any other color also. And let me give a design for my edit text, and we already have a style for the edit text. All right, so this is all you need to do, and then you can come back here in your app. All right, and just add this hint. Okay, just add this theme to the text input layout. Okay, so here you can use okay, hint text appearance like this, and here I'm going to use @ style, this one. Okay, so this is the hint text that is going to be available. And all right, so let me run it and let's see what is the effect. So as you can see out here, the hint is appearing. So you can see from the hint that usually appear inside edit text is moved from here to the top. So now this is a floating, means user will know even while user typing. So you can see the hint is very small. This is because here because of this style. So what you can do, you can change this style to the text appearance style like this, text appearance.appcompat.small, like this one. Okay, and then run it once again. You will have the different kind of output. Let me show you. This is what exactly we want. Okay, text appearance.appcompat.small. Now when I change the focus, okay, not here. When I change the focus, okay, see, now your edit text appear, this hint appear inside the edit text. Okay, when I gain the focus once again, see, it is just moved a little bit upward. So this is because of this text input layout. You can also use text input layout to check the errors, to check the type of input that is going to be made by the user. All right, so we will talk about this later, but this is enough for this particular chapter. In the next chapter, I will talk about how you can design the buttons. Okay, and we will make some. So please use take this as an assignment and try to apply this text input layout not only means for the remaining edit text. Okay, so thanks for watching it, and hope you like this tutorial.